Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. We are now in the third part of this Adjectives learning series. If you haven't checked out our first and second parts yet, just click the icon in the top right corner of this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. When multiple adjectives are used to modify the same noun, they usually follow a specific order. This order is not strict, and there can be exceptions, but it is a general guideline that helps make sentences sound more natural and flow smoothly, making it easier for the listener or reader to understand and process the information. The typical order of adjectives is as follows: determiner, observation, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, qualifier, and noun. Here's an example of how these adjectives might be used in a sentence. She bought a beautiful, small, round, old, blue, Italian, wooden, cooking table. Another example is, he received a beautiful, new, shiny, silver watch as a gift. Again, it's important to note that this sequence is not fixed and that native speakers occasionally use other adjective patterns depending on the context and emphasis. Some adjectives can be switched around without significantly affecting the meaning or correctness of the sentence. However, following this general order will typically help your sentences sound more natural and easier to understand. Were you able to process this interesting, bite-sized, fresh information? That's great! Now let us come to test whether you have absorbed significant knowledge from this lesson. In this practice exercise, identify the adjectives that correctly fill in the blank using the order of adjectives rule. For number 1, they visited a fascinating, blank, ancient, Greek, blank, archaeological artifact in Egypt. What is the correct sequence of adjectives in the sentence? Letter A, monumental, wooden. Letter B, wooden, monumental. The correct answer is letter A, monumental, wooden. According to the general order of adjectives, the monumental, which is considered an adjective of size, should go first before wooden, which is the material. Hence, letter A is the correct answer. For number 2, the big, blank, scary, blank, spider crawled across the wall. What is the proper order of the adjectives in the sentence? Letter A, European, black. Letter B, black, European. The correct answer is letter B, black, European. According to the general order of adjectives, the adjective for color should go first before the adjective for origin. Therefore, letter B, black, European, is the correct answer. The appropriate sentence is, the big, black, scary, European spider crawled across the wall. For the last item, the chef prepared a blank, French, blank, soup. What is the proper order of the adjectives in the sentence? Letter A, vegetarian. delicious. Letter B, delicious. Vegetarian. The correct answer is letter B, delicious. Vegetarian. Based on the general order of adjectives, the adjective for observation should go first before the adjective for qualifier or purpose. Hence, the proper way to construct the sentence is, the chef prepared a delicious, French, vegetarian soup. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.